In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a RACI framework for project management in Notion. If you're unfamiliar, RACI is an acronym that stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed. It's a popular management tool that helps clarify team roles and responsibilities within projects. Today, we'll explore how to effectively integrate this framework into Notion to enhance your project management capabilities. First, let's set up your Notion page to create a RACI matrix. Open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to establish your matrix. If you haven't already dedicated a page for project management, now is the perfect time to do so. Once you're there, simply click on the Add a New Block button and select the table database. This will serve as the basis for your RACI matrix. Ensure you name your table something intuitive like RACI matrix to keep your workspace organized. Now that you have your table set up, it's time to customize it for the RACI framework. Start by creating columns according to your needs. Typically, the essential columns you will want are task or activity, responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. The task or activity column is where you'll list specific tasks or deliverables. The rest of the columns should correspond to the roles in a RACI framework. It's important to remember that these columns will facilitate your delegation and communication strategy throughout the project. With your columns ready, you can begin populating the task or activity column with the specific tasks or deliverables that your project involves. Be as detailed as possible, breaking down larger tasks into smaller, manageable ones if necessary. This clarity helps everyone on your team understand what needs to be accomplished. Now you should assign team members to each column. For each task, designate who is responsible for completing the task. This is the person who actually performs the task or work. Then assign the accountable party. This is typically the person who oversees the task and ensures it's completed satisfactorily. The consulted roles are those whose opinions are sought out and require input to the task. They contribute and offer feedback. Those in the informed category should be kept up to date on task progress, but need not be directly involved. At this stage, it's helpful to sit down with your team to get input on these role assignments. Doing this collaboratively reduces confusion later on, as everyone's contributions and responsibilities are clearly outlined from the get-go. Finally, once your RACI matrix is complete, make sure to regularly revisit and update it as the project evolves. Adjust responsibilities, consults, and informed parties if objectives or team dynamics change. Notion's user-friendly interface allows for easy modifications, ensuring that your RACI matrix remains a vital and dynamic tool throughout the lifespan of your project. And there you have it, a functional RACI framework within Notion. It not only clarifies team roles, but also fosters efficient workflow and communication. Implement these steps effectively, and you'll likely see a noticeable improvement in how your projects are managed. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more project management tips and tools.